Yantra comes from the Sanskrit word meaning device or mechanism and is distinct from a mandala, which exists in a circle, whereas a yantra is a more linear geometric motif. I consider my work like a sigil. Now, a sigil is a magical device where you focus your will and send that will out to communicate further. And in the same way, I believe my work does that. So I focus my attention very hard upon these very complex designs, and then they're sent out there and they continue their work way beyond the point where I finish manufacturing them.